Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about Google Assistant not working, how you can fix this problem in your OPPO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your Google Assistant. If it is doesn't, then long press it, click on settings, or you can click on the assistant and here it is I button. Click on I button. You have to click on manage notification. You have to enable it first and press back, go to storage usage. You have to clear the cache of it and clear the data, and now it will working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.